All right, we're back here on Friday night again, and we're getting Elcie ready for this car show tomorrow. It's for the Axles for Alzheimer's and Kids car show. Is 4th annual in Pensacola. And what are you doing in there, Miss Elizabeth?
Oh, I am waxing and polishing the diamond plate. So she's shine.
Polishing the diamond plate. So what are you using? We're going to name a brand. So this is something we're learning about our YouTube. So what's your brand that you like, Miss Elizabeth?
Mother's.
Mother's what?
Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish.
Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish.
Yep.
Okay, so
And
it's helping us.
Rag.
Right, you see what it's taken off our diamond plate? So that's oxidization that's just from being out in the air and in the sun and atmosphere. So we're polishing the chrome. So she's been working on that, and what we've got is a finished effect over here after this has been buffed really well. And then look at the shine in the diamond plate. So you can see my phone. I'm going to move it at an angle so you can see the light. So over here, you see that hazy area, right? That's got the Mother's chrome and mag polish, right? We like that a lot. It's a good product. And then it comes in where I started buffing it by hand, and you get that shine. Look at Miss Elizabeth in the reflection. Hey, turn around a second so we can see if we can... See that? Wow.
Can you see me?
Yep, we can see you in the reflection. Awesome. So that's such a nice thing. So look, the wood goes from the bed into the chrome diamond plate, and it looks like it continues on. That's cool. And there's my phone. That's me. Ta-da, in the chrome. That's nice. So, what a nice effect. That's really up close. See how the strip looks like it goes straight through the diamond plate? That's so sweet. So Mother's does a great job, and so now I got to get over there and get that right behind her and make sure it's buffed really nice so it puts that chrome shine on it.
Yep, and you go one way on the diamonds,
right?
And you go the opposite way.
Yep, with the diamond plate, you move one direction and then opposite, like you're making an X, and that way you crisscross those diamonds and get between each blade, and that's how you go.
Normally, I'd be taking the buffer and doing it with a machine, but I am hand doing all of this tonight.
Yeah. See that?
Just because
transformer to this.
Elcie likes a little love, hands-on.
Right. So check out the tire well reflection in the chrome of the diamond plate. Pretty neat that you can see it that well, huh? That's nice. So it's almost mirror-like. We'll get it there one day. It takes a lot of polishing by hand. So, all right, that's going to conclude this one for the night. Miss Beth's in her PJs still. We're ready for bed soon. We'll see y'all tomorrow when we head to the car show. Have a good night.